morning, everyone.
Good morning. So today we are installing this. It's a Maxx Air Fan Deluxe. So today we've already taken down part of the roof. I say part of the roof. We've removed the cover, the underside cover for the current vent. So next job was to take this away.
And throw it in the bin.
Well, we can't throw it in the bin yet, because if it doesn't work, we might have to put it back again. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to take it off. We're going to remove the current window. We're going to clean around the top, as you'll see soon. And Ethan's going to get up on the roof with me.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you will. Yeah, you will. Yeah, you will. Yeah, we're going to get up on the roof. We're going to clean it, aren't we?
Yeah.
And
then we're going to, and once this is off,
yeah,
we need to drill a hole through this and then it gets to this light.
Yeah, actually that's a really good point. I forgot to mention that, so well done, Ethan. So we're going to have to drill through above the ceiling, but through the side of where the hole already is. We have to go through the roof, so we can then pull the cable down into the light fitting, and we're going to power the fan off the lighting circuit.
And this was right on this.
So yeah, so that's the cover, that's the diffuser, isn't it, for the light? Yeah. So we'll put that back on when we're finished.
Yeah.
Alright, right, we'll see you up on top. Let's go. Right, so we're going to remove the 4 screws. Oh, I dropped it. That's okay. Right. Screw number 3. Let's go up on top.
So I'm on the roof.
Right, so hopefully this just lifts off. We're not sure yet. Should we try? Yeah. No. Right, so let's lift this. Undo these. 1, 2.
There is water in.
And 4. Do you want to lift that off, Ethan?
Yeah.
Keep it nice and flat so the water doesn't go everywhere. Cool, that's dirty, isn't it?
Yeah. There's a lot of dirt outside.
Right, so...
Oh, so
aha!
Oh.
So now we can get inside the motorhome if you want to.
No, we can't.
We've got a new door, Ethan.
I haven't.
Is that not a good idea?
Yeah,
So now we have to scrape this off, I think.
Where's the scrape?
I've got a scraper here, so I'm going to try and work my way around. Right, so I've now gone round with some isopropanol and cleaned all around the edges. These are just scratches from when it was put on last time, I think. I'm not sure. And the idea will be to try and put the new piece on next. We're going to go and open up the box with the Maxx Air Fan in. So we've already had this out of the box once just to check a couple of things, but we put it away just to keep it safe. So in this box here we have two very important things. What's that, Ethan?
Oh yeah, the remote control to get it up and down, and if we want it to go fast or slow.
Very good, well done. You know more than I do.
So you got some screws with the blue things, and the blue things are for to connect the cables together.
How do you know this?
Because I saw it on the video.
Okay, so Ethan knows more about installing this than I do. He's obviously a lot more prepared than I am, which is great. So that's that. Let's get rid of that box.
And then it's the fan.
Yeah, so here's the actual thing of excitement.
And the fan is upside down.
Right, that's okay, isn't it?
Yeah.
So here is the fan. Right, let's take it out of the bag because we can't.
Oh, the bug catcher.
Oh, isn't it?
Oh, this.
So this item here, can you help me, Ethan? These screw holes go to the side of the motorhome rather than front and back, because the orientation of the actual unit will then face in the correct direction. So we're going to turn it over. We're going to put butyl tape around the edges all the way around. That'll be our first job. We will then sit that then down on top of the motorhome. We will screw down through the motorhome in all these holes, and then we will be using the Sikaflex to set over the top of the screw holes and also seal the gap underneath. Right, so the next job, Ethan, is to take this light off.
Yeah. And the wire is in the way, because we need to cut the power off.
Yes. So hopefully we can just take this light down quite easily.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, there you go, light's down.
Yeah.
And then
It's all solid.
I need to drill through.
Yeah.
Use the drill, and I'm going to get some drill bits. 2 seconds.
Yeah. Hopefully they'll go through.
Okay, That's that. Hopefully that reaches. I don't know if that's actually going to work.
Yeah, me either.
It might not be long enough. Past this cable all the way. No, it stops there. I didn't know if there'd be a void. There's this big space, so that's a bit boring. So we're gonna have to use an extension bit. How long is it? So we need to get that much further. Okay. So we could use your extension bit.
Yeah.
Which probably won't fit through the hole. No. So we're going to have to make the hole a little bit bigger. Right, hole a bit bigger.
Yeah.
Then we need an extension bit.
Yeah.
Do we think that's going to be long enough?
Yeah.
Oh, just.
Oh, yes.
So it's going to work.
Yeah.
So we're just rushing this at the moment because there's a chance it could rain.
Yeah.
So we're trying to be careful. We don't want
Yeah.
to get everything wet, so
we're trying to be super speedy.
I just saw something drop down there, so that means we might have got there.
That's a funny sound.
Right, that's good. Right, let's try again.
Yeah. Might be long enough.
Let's see if that can get through that hole. This is,
Oh,
oh,
yes, 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 yes.
we might have done it. So I'm going to strip the end off that.
Strip it off.
So hopefully we can pull it through the hole a little bit easier. The next thing that's going to be a challenge is finding the cable in the ceiling. I might have to put you up in the ceiling, Ethan. Not really. Right, I'm just going to strip this cable. Take the end off a bit. That might make it harder, but I don't know. Let's give it a go. Got plenty of cable, so we can cut the end off and try again. It's not a problem. Okay, let's give it a go.
Yeah.
Okay, this is quite impressive. I can see the cable.
Can
Okay,
you see it?
you can see it. Yeah, of course you can. Do you want me to pick you up and
No,
show you?
no, no.
You want to go around? So if you look up through there, can you see?
Oh, yeah, we'll see the white one.
Yeah, see it? So I've now got to try and fish it through.
Fish it.
Well, yeah, like, not like fish, just fish.
Huh.
I think we might have to make this hole a little bit bigger here,
Okay.
because that's going to be difficult to try and pull that through.
Okay.
How are we going to do that?
Oh, no idea.
You have no idea. I think we need a drill again.
No, I think we need this one.
What, a small one?
Because it's a bit more thinner.
Okay. It's not a bad idea. We're going to have to do a lot of tidying up in here later.
Yeah.
Well, you are anyway. Being very careful not to ruin any cables.
Yeah. And this is plaster.
No, it's not plaster. This is it looks like chipboard.
Chipboard.
Yeah.
Chipboard?
No, chip. Like chips of something.
Oh, a chip.
They're not like McDonald's chips. This is a boring game.
I'm pushing it in for you.
Oh, thanks.
For yeah, what?
Right, I think we're getting closer.
Yeah.
Yes, look, there it is.
Yes! We did it! And we don't want it to rain yet.
Right, so to clarify, for everyone that's not quite sure, what we've done
Got it through.
is we've taken the cable through a hole here, which hopefully is in the right place for the unit.
Yeah.
This may have been the wrong place to put it, but I thought that'd be the easiest way to get it through between here and the light fitting. We'll then use the cable to to join into these, and then we'll basically feed the fan off the light fitting feed. That's the plan anyway, so hopefully that works. Right, welcome back everyone. So we just had some food and we've let this, I suppose, dry. That's the right word. Silicone. It's kind of a silicone. It's not silicone. It's something else, but it was recommended. So I hope it's the right thing, because if it's not the right thing, then all's going to go pretty wrong. So, oh, back this end. Sorry. So, as you saw earlier, we ran the cable in. So we now have cable that goes between the light fitting and comes out here. Hopefully that works. I couldn't really see another way to do it, so I'm a bit concerned about that, but we'll make that happen. And then we have here the actual unit here, so the next job will be to take it up on top and install it. Let's see what happens. Hi everyone, so day 2, unexpected day 2. Now, day 2 is only because it rained. It rained a lot. So we had just finished and the heavens opened. So we didn't get to show you yesterday what happened, but I just want to show you now so we can actually show you that we've finished the project. So there you go, it is all installed. Remote control functioning. I can show you, ready? Goes up, turns on, it extracts air. Tried it in various configurations, air in, air out, different levels. I mean, it's going to be pretty impressive when it gets hot. I'm very excited, we're very excited. So we will see you, well, let's just say there's going to be a video very soon that's going to tell you about our plans for this motorhome. So stay tuned, and we'll be sharing where we'll be going for the next, well, probably for the next year. See you soon.